V1 base form lay. V2 past form laid. V3 past participle laid. V4 present par, laying. V5 SESIES lays. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb lay? Answer. The base form of the verb lay is lay. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb lay? Answer. The past form of the verb lay is laid. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb lay? Answer. The past participle of the verb lay is laid. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb lay? Answer. The present participle of the verb lay is laying. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb lay? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb lay is lays. Verb forms. Example sentences. V1 Please lay the book on the table. V2 Yesterday, I laid the foundation for the new building. V3 She had already laid the table before the guests arrived. V4 He is laying the tiles in the bathroom. V5 She always lays out her clothes for the next day before sleeping. Subscribe my channel.